Okay, it makes a little bit more sense for me to do 19 and 20 on the paper. The ratio of the length and width of a soccer field is 3 to 2. So I need to draw a rectangle and put 3 to 2, don't I? Jared made a cell drawing of a soccer field using a scale of 1 inch equals 12 yards, don't I? On his drawing, the length of the soccer field was 10 inches. So I'm going to have this. And this is in inches, aren't it? What are the actual dimensions of the soccer field? So I need to find this length and then multiply 1 inch by 12 yards, and my answer will be in yards. So I'm going to set up a proportion. I have length and width, don't I? Length and width, and I don't know this width. So I'm going to put, let's put W over L. I'm going to put 2 over 3 equals X over 10. You can flip these around, can't you? Okay, now then I'm going to cross multiply. So I'm going to multiply the 2 by 10, and I'm going to multiply the 3 by X. 10 times 2 is 20, and 3 times X is 3X. Unfortunately, this won't divide, will it? X ends up being 20 over 3. Let's just put 20 over 3 right here. Now then, 1 inch equals what? 12 yards. So the length is 12 inches, or 10 inches. So 10 times 12 is equal to 120 yards, isn't it? So the length is going to be 120 yards. Let's take the 20 over 3. We're going to multiply it by 12. 20 times 12 divided by 3. 20 times 12 divided by 3. You can do a shortcut and divide 3 into 12 first. 3 goes into 12 4 times, and 4 times 20 is 80, isn't it? Okay, so the dimensions are 80 yards by 120 yards, right? The width is 80 and the length is 120. Now then, let's look at number 20. This is kind of tricky. Notice that the letters first, this triangle is flipped and rotated in it. The key here, A is paired with X, B is paired with Y, and C is paired with Z. So I'm going to redraw this triangle with X, Y, and Z with this. So I'm going to draw a triangle to match it up. Now then, what point's right here? A. A is paired to what? X. So the X needs to go on top. B is paired to Y. So my B's right here. This needs to be Y. And C is paired to Z in it. So my C's right here. This needs to be Z. Now then, I'm going to put my numbers in here. Y to Z. Y to Z is 15, isn't it? X to Z is Y. So X to Z is Y. And XY, our hypotenuse, is X, isn't it? Now I can set up proportions and solve this, can't I? Let's find Y first. So I'm going to put 16 over Y equals 30 over 15, aren't I? Okay, so I'm going to cross multiply. 15 times 60 is 150 plus 90, 240. Equals 30Y, right? Okay, so 240 equals 30Y, divide by 30, and you get 8, don't you? Okay, so this edge right here is going to be 8. Let's go over here. We're going to do 34 over X. 34 over X equals 30 over 15. So I'm going to do 30 times X equals 34 times 15 is 340, 510. Divide by 30, and X is equal to 17. So my Y is 8 and my X is 17 in it. Okay. Y'all know the shortcut? What did you do to 30 to get 15? What did I do to 30 to get 15? I multiplied by a half, didn't I? So if you were to multiply by a half, you would have got them, wouldn't you? That 1/2 is called a scale factor, isn't it?